Dear students, this session we are going to study about further applications of gradient. Right? What is the maximum rate increase or decrease? Right? What is the greatest rate increase of pi of x y z square at the point 1 comma 1 comma minus 1? Right? So we have to find a maximum increase. For this, we are going to find a simply modulus of gradient phi, right? So what is phi here? X, y, z square, right? First to find gradient phi. What is gradient phi? I vector dou pi by dou x plus j vector dou pi by dou y plus k vector into dou pi by dou z. Differentiate this with respect to x become 1, therefore y is z square. Right? Similarly, differentiating with respect to y, this become x z square. Differentiating this with respect to z become 2xy z. Right? Now the given point. Sorry, here the given point is 1 comma 0 comma 3. Right? If we substitute this point here, wrongly given here. Right? This is not 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. This one 1 comma 0 comma 3. Right? Therefore, the gradient phi is root of 0 square plus 9 square plus 0 square equal to square root of 81, that is 9. Okay, right. Now next problem. The temperature at a point x comma y comma z in space is given by T of x comma y comma z equal to x square plus y square minus z. A mosquito located at 1 comma 1 comma 2 decides to fly in such a direction that it gets cooler faster. Find the maximum direction which would it should fly. Okay. So here the given surface is t, right? X square plus y square minus z. So here we are going to find gradient t, right? Modulus of gradient t. So delta t equal to dou t by dou x plus j vector dou t by dou y plus k vector dou t by dou z. Here dou t by dou x is 2x, dou t by dou y is 2y, dou t by dou z is minus 1. Okay. The point here is 1 comma 1 comma 2. Therefore del t 1 comma 1 comma 2 is put x equal to 1, y equal to 2, right? So that is not necessary of z. So anyway minus 1 here. So del t equal to 2i vector plus 2j vector minus k vector. Therefore mosquito must fly in this direction. Okay. Right. Now find the normal derivative of phi of xy plus yz plus zx at the point minus 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay. Normal derivative means as usual find modulus of del phi. First to find del pi, then find its modulus. Okay. So here pi is xy plus yz zx. As usual, differentiate with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z. Then substitute the point minus 1 comma 1 comma 1. We get 2i vector. Taking modulus become right. Now problem number 10. If pi equal to log of x square plus y square plus z square, then find gradient phi. So here pi is log of x square plus y square plus z square. Therefore the gradient of scalar function, what is the formula? Del pi equal to I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z. Okay. So differentiate this with respect to x. Derivative of log is 1 by x square plus y square plus z square. Differentiating inner function become 2x. Similarly for dou pi by dou y. Differentiate with respect to y. Then differentiate the inner function become 2y by x square plus y square plus z square. Same thing for this. So here common factor is x square plus y square plus z square. Taking common factor as x square plus y square plus z square, we get xi vector plus yj vector zk vector alone. So there is nothing but r vector. So del pi is 2 by r square r vector, because what is x square plus y square plus z square? Simply r square. Right? Next one. Angle between two surfaces. Suppose two surfaces are given like this, pi 1 and pi 2 are two equations or two surfaces. Then formula for angle between these two surfaces, cos theta equal to del pi 1 dot del pi 2 modulus of del pi 1 into modulus of del pi 2. Okay, cos theta equal to del pi 1 dot del pi 2 divided by product of modulus of two dels. Suppose if the two surfaces are orthogonal, then del pi 1 dot del pi 2 equal to 0. This is the condition. Okay. Now find the angle between the surfaces. Z equal to x square plus y square minus 3 and x square plus y square plus z square equal to 9 at the point 2 comma minus 1 comma 2. Okay, we have two surfaces here. Assume first surface is pi 1, second one is pi 2. So take like this, x square plus y square, bring this plus z to this side, become minus z minus 3. This is pi 1. Okay, so what is pi 2? Another one is x square plus y square, sorry, this is plus z square. Okay, actually here plus z square minus 9. Okay, this is pi 2, wrongly taken here. Del pi 1. Okay, del pi 1 then just differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of 2x is x square is 2x I vector. Derivative of y square is 2y j vector. Derivative of z is minus 1. Minus z is minus 1. So this is del pi 1. Similarly, find del pi 2. Okay, now the common point is 2 comma minus 1 comma 2. Substitute the common point here. Okay, we get del pi 1, del pi 2. Find modulus for this. Modulus of del pi 1 is, what is this modulus? Square root of 4 square is 16 plus minus 2 square of 4, 16 plus 4, 20 plus 1 is 21. Square root of 21. Similarly, for modulus of del 2 is root of 36, that is equal to 6. Now apply formula. Cos theta equal to del pi 1 dot del pi 2 divided by modulus of del pi 1 modulus of del pi 2. Okay, that del pi 1 dot del pi 2 means take dot product between these two, right? To multiply corresponding I vector. Okay, 4 into 4 is 16. Again minus 2 become plus 20. 4 into minus 4, 20 minus 4 is 16. Okay, 16 by its modulus is 221 and 6. After simplification, we get 8 by 3 root 21. So theta equal to cos inverse of 8 by 3 root 21.